Okay, so now we're going to start off with the global scope. Scope is the context in which our variables are declared. We think about scope in relation to blocks because variables can exist either outside or within these blocks. In global scope, variables are declared outside of blocks. These variables are called global variables. Because global variables are not bound inside a block, they can be accessed by any code in the program, including code in blocks. Let's take a look at an example of the global scope. Const color equal to blue. Const return sky color. This is the function return color. Console.log return sky color. Even though the color variable is defined outside of the block, it can be accessed in the function block, giving it global scope. In turn, color can be accessed within the return sky color function block. Let's work with global variables to see how data can be accessible from any place within a program. At the top of main.js, write 3 global variables. Name the first variable satellite and set it equal to the moon. Name the second variable galaxy and set it equal to the Milky Way. Name the third variable stars and set it equal to North stars. Right, so the first one, set it equal to the moon. Okay, so the next one is going to be the galaxy. We're going to set it equal to the Milky Way. And the last one, we're going to call it stars. We're going to set it equal to North Star. Okay, let's run that. Okay, so below the variables created in the previous step, write a function named call my night sky. Inside the function, include a return statement like this. Okay, so we're going to now write a function call my night sky. That was weird. Right, and then we're going to set it equal to, we're going to rather return this night sky plus satellite plus stars. So we're concatenating satellite, stars, and galaxy. Right. That's weird. You don't want me to copy pasta. I will write it out. That's alright. I'll write it out, man. No more copy pasta. Practice. I like typing. I'm already addicted to it, so just love typing. Night sky. And then we're gonna start concatenating. Let's rather do it the way they did it there. It looks it's better written. I can't get the song out of my head for some reason. So, and plus galaxy. Let's run that. That's right, okay. Number 3, beneath call my night sky function, use console.log. I think that's what they want. To log call my night sky. Okay, so what does it say? Night sky, the moon, North Star, and the Milky Way. Okay, so this is global scope right here. This is external. Right, let's move on.